Hi, class 10. Sorry, my mind was somewhere else. I was thinking about something. So, anyways, hi, good morning. How are you guys doing? So, back again with English. So, we are going to do Ruskin Bond's The Thief Story. Okay, so I love Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond, I have that great. I'm his fan type when I was a child. So in my young days, not a child, in my young days, I loved Ruskin Bond. I like his stories. They're very much down to earth and a lot of feeling in it. So I like it. So we are going to do a thief story. It's all about a person who wanted to become a thief, or rather was a thief, and he changed his life. But and at the same time, we trust people, and people break our trust. So that's also another thing. We lose a lot of things, so we get that we are in that phobia of not trusting anymore. So one bad experience makes all the experiences bad, or the future thinking also becomes very negative. We don't want to go ahead with it, but it's a very nice story. I like it. So let me go ahead with it, and let me explain you something about our Ruskin Bond, and we'll see what we can do about it. Okay, so let's start. uh, it's The Thief Story. It's all by Mr. Ruskin Bond, and about him is what can I say? uh, Ruskin Bond, born in May 19 born 19th May 1934. So he must be 80 years more than that. uh, I have not calculated. He's an author of British descent. So his father was British, his mother was Anglo-Indian. Indian become a British. So whatever. We don't want to go into it personally. He lives with his adopted family in Landore, Missouri. The Indian Council for Education has recognized his role in the growth of children's literature in India. And he was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992 for Our Trees Still Grow in Dehra. It's a novel in English. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999 and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. He has a movie also, Satkun Maaf of Priyanka Chopra. And there's another movie, I don't know, I'm not remembering the name, but there's another movie, it was taken from his story, and that's the story which was done. So, A Thief Story is all about. I'll just give you the summary first, and then we can go ahead and uh, I'll give you the explanation with word meanings. Okay, and I'll just give you a brief summary of it right now. Okay, I'll just explain what is it, or if you want, I can read. No, see, reading will waste time. See, I can read through the your pages, but it will not make sense. So you must have already gone through this. I just want to brief you up on this again, and so that I can give you the notes which I tell you, or which I am sharing with you right now. I'll give it to you in printing. I'll give you solved questions also. I'll solve it and give it to you. So you're happy, right? Great. So summary and question answers. So it will be help you for the future, so that it does not create any problem for you, and you will be totally satisfied with it. And that will be the best thing I can offer right now, and I hope I am of some use to you guys in English as well. So okay, so I am really looking forward to see you guys in school. uh, Anyways, let's do this. Thief Story by Ruskin Bond, and this story is about two different people. Okay, one is a thief of 15 years of age, and the other man is approximately, you can say, 25 years of age, watching a wrestling match somewhere. The con man, the con people always look for a person who is easy to manipulate, and they are very clever. Even if you think whatever you're thinking now, they've already thought it before. So the name of the person watching the match is Anil. The thief approaches Anil and starts talking to him because he feels that he had not robbed anyone in the past few days, and thought it would be easy to rob a simple person like Anil. They both start talking, and Anil asks the thief his name. Generally, as per what happens while talking to a person, you try to get all the information. Like you have these, now it's upgraded now, these guys call you on the phone for your credit card and debit card. They take information, they start hacking and they try to drain out your money. This happened with few drivers, cab drivers. I guess it's Uber. It's Uber. Uber actually, not Uber. Uber. Uber happened somewhere in Bangalore or something. What happened? These guys hacked into the software of Uber because they have the software in the car also. They're using, they're driving, they're getting payments, and they switched off quite a lot of cash. And so you have to be educated for it, okay, to do something like that. So education is everywhere. You need education everywhere. So, anyways, and even if you do any crime, you must do it with the full heart and full. Whatever you do, you have to do it with heart. But crime is bad. Okay. So they both start talking, and Anil asks the thief's his name, and they introduce himself as Hari Singh. As far as I tell you that mostly thieves don't use the same name. I watch a lot of movies. I watch a lot of crime movies, crime serials. I like watching them. Not in Hindi ones, but in English ones. Hindi ones I don't know. I've never watched, but the English ones are very realistic, and they have got a lot of thinking. They think a lot. I watch and I think, and I also judge people. In that way. So, anyways, so that's my part of the story. So here he's saying Hari Singh, but generally when a person is always talking to you, you don't think that he's going to tell you the real name. So you must think always in a negative way when you're talking to it's better you not talk to someone. They both start talking, and Anil asks the thief's name. The thief introduces himself as Hari Singh. This is not his real name, as he changes his name every month to escape his ex-employers or police. They start talking about the wrestlers, and Anil was leaving when Hari called him again and asked him if he could work for Anil. Anil said that he won't be able to pay him, but he could feed him if he knew how to cook. Hari lied that he knew how to cook. So Anil took Hari to his room, which was above the sweet shop, and Hari cooked a meal which was really bad because Anil did not eat it. Anil asked Hari to leave, but he tried to please Anil. Hari smiled in a most attractive way, and Anil could not stop laughing looking at him. So Anil agreed to teach Hari how to cook. Now he smiled, and Anil agreed to teach Hari how to cook. Hari was grateful, as he knew that there would be no limit to robbing people once he learnt how to read and write. Okay, now what did Anil also tried to teach him full sentences and adding numbers. So he'll come to know, he'll get more educated on that, so he'll be able to more use it. So the narrator used to like working for Anil. So the narrator is the thief. And he used to make him tea in the morning and then go out to buy the groceries for the day. He also used to steal 1 rupee from the money that was given to him to buy groceries. Every day Anil knew that he used to steal it but did not mind. Sometimes we have to overlook things, when we send something, we leave someone and send them to the market or want to get something done. Generally this happens, in life. People try to tend to do it. They don't do it knowingly, but it happens. It's that habit. If someone gives me something, I go, and it's not me. Okay, I'm just telling you. I'm putting myself into that example. Suppose we go to the market, we are buying something. My mom used to give me money. I should do it that time. I have to drink a cold drink, have ice cream. I have to go and say the vegetable has costed so much, because if I say I've had a cold drink, I don't know what's going to happen. So we were not allowed to have cold drinks outside. You can have it at home, bring it home if your father brings it. You don't know what happens in the market. Someone might drug you or something. So these things used to happen. So, and the person who used to go to do our shopping, the person who worked in our house, my mom used to give him money every day for vegetables and all whatever. So he used to come back, and there's to always be that while adding up how much, what happened, give me the total, how much did you spend, how much are you returning, and every day 2 rupees, 3 rupees short. And my mother used to start shouting, that used to happen. And my father used to say, forget it, 2-3 rupees is gone, and he's also living, he's a poor man. It happens like that. So this is what, but you start trusting that person. You have that trust that 3 rupees or 2 rupees or whatever is going to go. You know that. We overlook that to keep a good person with you. But how do you know that person is going to affect you? Generally things happen with me also. I believed in one guy. He wished off 50,000 bucks from my room. I was staying in a rented flat in a certain place. I'll not name the place. So I was staying there, and so I had met this man in the tea shop, and he said he's a great guy. He said I am into transport and all that. I said wow, good, transport, traveling. So it hit my brain, traveling, transport. If I ever get friends with him, I'll be able to travel with him at a very low cost. I can at least see the rest places in India which I have not seen. So he said, I travel, I have a bus, I have a truck, I have a 12-wheeler truck, and it goes to, he said it goes to Kerala South and all. So I asked him, does it go till Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli and all that I was asking? He said, yes. I said, wow, great. I was always wanting to go by road to Kerala. Like I have driven till Visakhapatnam, but I have not gone before that. So then he said that my only problem is I don't have a place to stay. I said I stay alone, no problem. Where I go to office, I come back, my flat is there. You want to share, you share. You can sleep because you said you are into transport. He said I go out in the morning, come back in the night, or sometimes I am not there for 7-8 days. I said don't have to pay anything. You come and stay. Then he said no, I am going to pay you. I said okay, fine. So my landlord, which was there, said that. Please make sure that you are entering someone into a complex. That's up to you. That's your personal issue. So I'll come back in the next video. Okay, just hold on.